According to ancient Indian cosmogonic ideas, the sequential order of the cycle of four epochs is सबसे पहले त्रेता कृता जो सतयुगी बोल सकते हैं त्रेता द्वापर एंड काली. According to cosmogony related belief of ancient India, the four epochs are follows Krita, Treta, Dwapar and Kali. Question number 2. Which one of the following was a Saiva sect in ancient India? Ajivika, Mahatmayor, Mahay, Maya Mata, Ishan Shiva, Ishan ईशाना शिवा गुरुदेवा पढ़ाती. तो हो जाएगा मता मयूरा. Saiva sect named Mata Mayura in ancient India was found in the inscription of Chedi dynasty. 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 Question number 3. Ardhana Rishwara, a figure of half Shiva and half Parvati, represent union of male and female, union of gods and goddess, union of God and with his Shakti. ये हो जाएगा union of God and with his Shakti. Half क्या है क्वेश्चन? हाफ शिवा हाफ पार्वती. ये सिंबल है यूनियन ऑफ गॉड विद हिज शक्ति. अर्धनारीश्वरा is a composite androgynous form of the Hindu god Shiva and the consort Parvati. Ardhanarishwara is depicted as half male and half female, split down the middle. The right half is usually the male Shiva, illustrating his traditional attributes. Ardhanarishwara represents the synthesis of masculine and feminine energies of the universe and illustrates how Shakti, the female principle of God, is inseparable from Shiva, the male principle of God, who were Nayanars, Shaiva. In the medieval period, the devotional spirit was mainly spread in South India, especially in Tamil regions. There were two major sects behind the development of devotional spirit in the Tamil regions. The devotees worshipping God Vishnu were called Alvara, and the devotees worshipping God Shiva were called Narayana. They told that personal love and dedication toward God is the only way to moksha and oppose the caste system and its rigidity. Who were Nayanars? Shaiva. Who were the Savitsis? Nayanars, Savits. Who were the Nayavitsis? वही है Savits. Question number 6. Who among the following was not a Alvar Shant? Turugyan. Who among the following is not a Alvar Shant? Turugyan. Poigoi, Kudam and Thirumangai were Alvar Saints, while Thiruguan is not Alvar Saint. Poigai, Kudam and Thirumangai were Alvar Saint. Poigoi, Kudam, Thirumangai. Poigoi, Kudam. Question number 7. Who contributed the most in the development of the Bhagavad sect? Persian, Indo-Greek people, Kushan, Gupta. ये हो जाएगा गुप्ता. Who contributed the most in the development of Bhagavad sect? Gupta. The Bhagavad or Vaishnav religion reached its peak in the region of Gupta king. Gupta king were the follower of the Vaishnav religion, and they made it religion of the state. Most of the Gupta rulers had hold title of Brahmbhagavata. Garuda, the mount of Lord Vishnu, was the state symbol of Guptas. Question number 8. The originator of Bhagavad religion was Krishna. Traditionally, the originator of Bhagavad religion was Vrishni descent Lord Krishna, who is also known as the Vasudeva. He was basically from Mathura. He has been described as the son of Devaki and the disciple of Ghor Angirasha in the Chandogya Upanishad. Question number 9. Which of the following epic was primarily mentioned Krishna, son of Devaki? Chandogya Upanishad. Chandogya Upanishad. Question number 10. Who were the first to worship Vasudeva Krishna? Bhagavats. Who were the first to worship Vasudeva Krishna? Bhagavat. Under the Bhagavat religion, the initial form of Vaishnavism is shown in the worship of Lord Krishna, the son of Devaki. The initial name of Krishna was prevalent in the Panini, as the worshippers of the Vasudeva were known as Vasudeva in the age. According to Indian belief, Lord Krishna is considered as a supreme personality and has been worshipped since ancient age. Who among the following deities represents presented in art as holding the plough? Balarama. According to the Indian culture tradition, Balaram, the brother of Krishna, is saw as holding plough in his arms. He is also known as the name of Haldhar. The number of forms of bhakti in Bhagavad Gita is 9. The number of form of bhakti in the Bhagavad Gita is 9. The Navdha Bhakti, the form of bhakti, has been recognized for acquiring moksha in the Bhagavad Gita. Thus, option 3 is correct. 9. Question number 13. The Beshanagar inscription of Heliodorus is associated with only Vasudeva. The Garuda pillar of Vidisha, Beshanagar, is the first stone monument related to Bhagavad religion. This shows that the Yayana ambassador of Takshila accepted the Bhagavad religion and worshipped it after its establishment. Heliodorus is listed Bhagavad and the Vasudeva is listed as Devdas, gods of gods, in the article inscribed on it. Garuda pillar of Vidisha, Beshanagar. Question number 14. The earliest archival evidence related to Bhagavad religion in Allahabad inscription of Beshnagar inscription of Heliodorus. Question number 15. The earliest non-epigraphic evidence of Bhagavatisms. The earliest non-epigraphic evidence of Bhagavatism वही Beshnagar Garuda pillar Beshnagar. Question number 16. Heliodorus of Beshnagar inscription was related to Pushpakali Takshila. Question 17. Which incarnation of Vishnu is depicted as saving the earth from the sea? Varaha. Which incarnation of Vishnu is depicted as saving the earth from the sea? Varaha. Lord Vishnu took the form of Varaha to kill the king of giants, Hiranyakashipu, and released the earth from his clutch. In the picture of the Puran, God Varaha has been shown balancing the earth on his teeth and rising from the sea. In these incarnations, the head of the Varaha is one of the human body, having 4 arms holding Shanaka, Chakra, Gada, and the Padma in his hands, like God Vishnu fighting with demon Hiranyakashipu. This is the third incarnation in the order of the incarnations. Thus, the option C is the correct. Which incarnation of Vishnu is depicted as saving the earth from the sea? Varaha. Question 8. Which of the following is the distinctive features of a Nastika and Astika system in India? Belief in authenticity of the Vedas. Authenticity of the Vedas. Which among the following is the distinctive feature of a Nastik and the Astik system in India? Belief in the authenticity of the Vedas. In the context of 6th century BC, Astik sect belonged to those who believed in the authenticity of Vedas, and Nastik sect, which was of those who did not believe in the authenticity of Vedas. Thus, which among the following give equal importance to Janana, Karma, and Bhakti means of liberations? Question number 8. Which one of the following is the distinctive features of Nastik? Option A, belief in the existence of God, belief in the doctrine of rebirth, belief in the authenticity of Vedas, belief in the existence of heaven and hell. We have belief in the authenticity of the Vedas. Question 19. Which of One of the following gives equal importance to Janana, Karma, and Bhakti as a means of liberations. Ad- Advait Vedantam, Visishtavadait Vedantam, Bhagavad Gita, Mimamsha. ये हो जाएगा भगवत गीता. Which one of the following give equal importance to Janana, Karma, and Bhakti as means of the liberations? Janana, Karma, and Bhakti have equal importance in Gita. Lord Krishna predicts the importance of all three in the following sloka in Gita. In Advait Vedanta, Shankaracharya has accepted the Brahma as the only truth. Both Vedanta and Vishishtadvait Vedanta gives supremacy to Bhakti. Mimamsa has only propounded the karma. Question 20. The doctrine of Apurva is related to Charvaka, Jaina, Buddha या मीमांसा. तो ये होगा मीमांसा का. Doctrine of Apurva is related to मीमांसा. The word Apurva is a technical term related to Purva. मीमांसा is system of philosophy. Question 21. which इसको मैच करना है. अष्टाध्यायी, महाभाष्या, निरुक्ता, वार्टिका, यक्षटका, कट्टयायना, पतंजलि, पाणिनि. तो ये अष्टाध्यायी हो जाएगा पाणिनि. अष्टाध्यायी पाणिनि. अष्टाध्यायी पाणिनि. महाभाष्या पतंजलि, निरुक्ता यस्का, वर्टिका कट्यायन. क्वेश्चन 22 इसको मैच करना है. वल्लभाचार्य, रामानुज, माधवाचार्य, शंकरा. द्वैतवाद, अद्वैतवाद, शंकराचार्य होगा अद्वैतवाद. डी का 4, ये सी हो जाएगा. वल्लभाचार्य पुष्टि मार्ग, रामानुजा विशिष्टतावाद, माधवाचार्य द्वैतवाद, शंकर अद्वैतवाद. वल्लभाचार्य पुष्टि मार्ग, रामानुज विशिष्टतावाद, माधवाचार्य द्वैतवाद, शंकर अद्वैतवाद. Question number 20. Which is called लोकायत दर्शन? जैन, बुद्धा, चरवाका या शंखाया. तो ये चरवाका हो जाएगा. Which is called लोकायता दर्शन? Charvaka. Charvaka is characterized as a materialistic and aesthetic school of thought. He was the founder of Lokayat philosophy, accept direct prescription as the surest method to prove the truth of anything. It insists on joyful living. Question 24. Which one of the following is not included in Prasthan Trai? Which one of the following is not included in the Prasthan Trai? भागवता या भागवत गीता, ब्रह्मसूत्र या उपनिषद. ये हो जाएगा भागवता. Which one of the following is not included in the Prasthan Trai? Bhagavata. Upanishad, Brahmasutra, and Bhagavad Gita are said to be Prasthan Trai of Vedanta because these are the major epics of Vedanta. Among them, the Upanishad is the prime Prasthana and the remaining two are known to be based on it. Shankaracharya is the oldest among all of the Vedanta Acharya, who established his Vedanta cuts by writing the gloss on the Brahma Sutra. Which one of the following is not included प्रश्न? ये बाकी ब्रह्मसूत्र, भागवत गीता, उपनिषद, ये तीनों को प्रस्थान त्रायी बोला जाता है. भागवत गीता, ब्रह्मसूत्र, उपनिषद. Question number 25. The ancient place where the narration of entire Mahabharata was read in the conference of 60,000 hermits. Ahichatra, Hastinapur, Kampilia, and Naimisharanaya. Naimisharanaya in Sitapur district of UP is considered to be the residence of 60,000 hermits. Here, Sat Goswami narrated the entire Mahabharata in front of Sonak and other hermits when he was accomplished of Yagya. Earlier, Vaishampayanam narrated the story of Mahabharata for King Janamejaya. Naimisharanaya. The ancient place where the narration of entire Mahabharata was read in the conference of 60,000 hermits. Naimisharanaya. With which religion is Kalika Purana associated? वैष्णविज्म, शक्तिज्म, बुद्धिज्म, जैनिज्म, ये हो जाएगा शक्तिज्म। विच विद विच रिलीजन इज कलिका पुराना एसोसिएटेड? शक्तिजम्स। द कलिका पुराना also called the Kali Purana, Shati Purana or Kalika Tantra is one of the 18th minor Purans in the Shaktisms tradition of Hinduism. The text was likely composed in the Assam region of India. The text is attributed the sage Markandeya and started off with the legends of Devi trying to bring Shiva back from ascetic life into householder's life of making him fall in love again. Which religion is the Kalika Purana associated? Shaktisms. Question number 27. Which kind of Ramayana describe the first meeting of Rama and Hanumana? Kishkinda Kand, Sundar Kand, Bal Kand, none of the above. ये होगा किष्किंधा कांड. Valmiki was the author of Ramayana. There are total 7 kands in this Adi Kavya written in Sanskrit. The fourth kand of this Kavya, Kiskindha Kand, in which meeting of the Rama and Hanuman, death of Bali and Shurgi, king of Vanara, is described. Kiskindha Kand. Question 28. Rashtriyata at Puri is celebrated in honor of which Hindu deity? Lord Rama, लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ, लॉर्ड विष्णु, लॉर्ड शिवा. ये लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ हो जाएगा. द राष्ट्रीयता इज सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर एट पुरी उड़ीसा ऑन द शुक्ला पक्षा ऑफ अश्वधा मंथ विद ऑल द रिस्पेक्ट टू लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ, कृष्णा, बलरामा एंड द सुभद्रा. लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ. द Ramashtra at Puri is celebrated in honor of which Hindu deity? Lord Rama. Question 20. Kumbh Mela at Nasik is held at which of the following river? Kumbh, Godavari. The Kumbh Mela is held on the bank of Godavari river and interval every 12 years. Every 12 years. It is also held on the bank of Ganga at Haridwar, on the confluence place of the Ganga at Yamuna, at Prayagraj, bank of river Shipra, at Ujjain. Every 12 years पे लगता है. तो गोदावरी, कुंभ, नासिक में गोदावरी रिवर के किनारे कुंभ मेला लगता है. हरिद्वार में गंगा किनारे और इलाहाबाद प्रयागराज में गंगा यमुना के किनारे और उज्जैन में शिप्रा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. इन कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज कॉल्ड अनंगा? शिवा, कामा, कृष्णा, लक्ष्मण. ये होगा कामा. Kamdeva is the Hindu god of human love or desire. Rati is the wife of Kamdeva. Other names used in reference to the Kamdeva are Anangam, Kandarpa, Madanam, Manmatha. Kamdeva, Ananga, Kandarpa, Madanam, Manmatha. Question number 31. को मैच का जैनिज्म, हिंदुज़्म, इस्लाम, क्रिश्चियनिटी. तो पहले जिसका हम मुझे पता है इस्लाम का मदीना हो जाएगा, तो सी का 1. हिंदुज़्म का, क्रिश्चियन, जैनिज्म का देख लेते. जैनिज्म का हो जाएगा पावापुरी. हिंदुज़्म का हो जाएगा वाराणसी. इस्लाम का हो जाएगा मदीना. क्रिश्चियनिटी का हो जाएगा वैटिकन सिटी. क्रिश्चियनिटी वैटिकन. मदीना इज द सिटी लोकेटेड इन द हिजाज रीजन ऑफ द वेस्टर्न सऊदी अरेबिया. इट इज सेकंड sanctum city of the Islam religion after Makkah. Vatican City, the sovereign country located in Italy with a total area of 44 hectares, which is also the smallest both in the population area. Independent country of the world. It is the ruled by the Bishop of Rome, who is called a Pope. It is also known as the capital of Roman Catholic Church. Pawapuri is the holy place of Jainism, located 38 km from Rajgir, 90 km from Patna. The founder of Jainism, Mahavira Swami, died at Pawapuri 527 BC, century BC. Varanasi, the holy place in Hindus, located on the left bank of Ganga River. This is an important center of education and culture since ancient times.